Okay, just got this inside the house here. It took at least 3 people to carry this thing in. It's a Bayside Furniture corner desk. It comes with a plug-in outlet, a USB plug-in, an outlet, and it's got a work service, a liftable work service desk, and then a drawer. Lengthwise, it is 35.5 or 55.5 inch in length and 67 inches in width, and height is 30.2 inches. So it's a pretty big corner desk, and it's made out of solid wood, I believe the frame is, and it's heavy. Again, it's pretty heavy. It took 3 of us to carry this inside this. I'm going to replace this here with this ancient computer desk I have for about probably 15 years, a little bit over 15 years. And this is something I decided, it's going to have more work service real estate. So that's on my knee. And I'm going to do a quick unboxing and show you how I set everything up and see how it goes. So I like how it's pre-assembled here. So it looks like it's going to be a quick assemble. So this is the new setup. You can see here, a lot more real estate. For my prior table, this one's, of course, is one flat real estate. The other one had actually cabinets and drawers and stuff. But I didn't really need to. I figured out how to kind of handle where I put everything. But I like my desk really simple, clean, less clutter. I can work better, concentrate on more things on my creativity. But here, I'll show you how this table actually pull up. And you pull up and you can put stuff in there. That's why I have my excess material I use once in a while. But my other material items that I have that I use a lot, it's actually in this drawer. This is where I store stuff that I use maybe once or twice a week. But here it's nice, you can put your laptop, you get tired sitting, you can put your laptop right here. And it has built-in hydraulics, so it's not too heavy. When you pull up, it actually helps lift it. And then when you push it down, it kind of goes down by itself, as you can see. Very nice feature. Material is built really well, solid wood, but of course there's some composite, you can say, but the texture, the feel, very premium, very premium. Probably one of the best table I have, work desk I've ever had. And you can see here, Even the drawers open really easy, nice. Yeah, gotta add a little bit more. You can add some floating shelves or some, but plenty of real estate for me to work on, to work with. So here I'm showing how I hid all the power cords. I have several items plugged in here. I have a speaker system, a printer, a router, a laptop, and a monitor light bar. Also a security camera here. As you can see down underneath, it's pretty clean. And I ran all the cords in the back, and I was able to hook one cord to the power to the outlet. Of course, the table has 3 outlets and 3 USB, but that wasn't enough, so I actually had to add a separate outlet, another long outlet, as you can see back here. But I use these 3M cords to tie my wires and ran all the way in the back to make it look as clean as possible, clutter free. But there's a link below if you'd like to purchase these 3M clips. They're actually really nice. They stick really well too. This is like a grayish, almost tannish grayish color mixed together, like a neutral color. And this is also kind of, you got a whitish but tannish color to it.